congratulations to all of you Pualani members, Pualani Gold, Platinum, and Elite Hoi. Until we meet again on another journey, aloha to you, and mahalo to Hawaiian Airlines for inviting us. And once again, my name is Kamakakehau Fernandez, or you can find me on Facebook as Ryan, but I always say that's the legal name. Oh. Anyhow, so yes, as mentioned earlier, I was born in the big island of Little Rock, Arkansas. And 6 weeks old, my life was blessed, where I was raised on the beautiful Valley Isle of Maui. And I know we have some Ohana Maui over here. Aloha to all of you. And it's been such a privilege for me to have been embraced with the Hawaiian culture. That's really what it was. And if it wasn't for my Ohana loving me the way they did, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing today. So it goes to show Ohana is a big thing, very valuable to us. And then Hawaiian language immersion schooling was a big part of my education as well. So as I got older, I realized it was very important to perpetuate this blessing, this gift that I've been blessed with. And it brought me so much joy to be able to meet so much of Hawaii's entertainers as well, such as this wonderful gentleman beside me. We've been playing music for a while now, but I'll put a hand for Mr. Lawrence Pau. Oh, yeah. And we want to invite the lovely Ka'ena Aloha, a lovely hula dancer this evening, who is actually a member of Halau Ika Kiu. And it's a privilege to have her here. So we're going to do another Oahu song for you. Song speaks of the wonderful area, the wonderful ship, and an area here in Oahu in Kapi'olani Park, a place known as Makee Ailana. Makee Ailana, ke aloha la. Aina I ka ehu o ke kai. Makee Ailana, ke aloha la. Aina I ka ehu o ke kai. Elua e kolu no makou I ka ailana mahi e Elua e kolu no makou I ka ailana mahi e O ka leo o ka vai ka ui aloha I ka I mai nei e andu ka ua O ka leo o ka vai ka ui aloha I ka I mai nei e andu ka ua Ina hoyu me mi nei No e ka noho pai pai Ina hoyu me mi nei No e ka noho pai pai Haina ia mai ana ka puana Makee Ailana u e ka mana o ina ia mai ana ka puana Makee Ailana u e ka mana All of us, all of you. Mahalo nui, mahalo piha, me ke aloha, God bless, and aloha.